Steps on how to properly deal with arthritis. How would you like to read some great tips about arthritis? Most likely, if you are interested in this, then you are currently suffering from it, or know somebody who is. Use this video to discover some of the best tips and tricks available for dealing with arthritis. People with arthritis are dealing with both chronic pain and chronic fatigue. Set priorities for your day and stick to them. There will only be so much you can accomplish on a bad day. Figure out what's most important and focus on getting that done, instead of trying to fight the pain and fatigue and do everything anyway. Now, more than ever before, your body needs plenty of good sleep. Your body can't properly heal or fight off pain and inflammation if you don't get enough sleep. Get at least 7 or 8 hours of sleep a night. If you have had a bad day, try to get 10 hours. Your body's own healing powers improve substantially with good sleep. Arthritis differs from some other medical conditions in that studies have not shown any negative link between moderate alcohol consumption and increased arthritis trouble. In fact, some researchers say that consuming alcohol in small quantities can actually help reduce the symptoms a bit. Keeping an arthritis journal can actually help you control your symptoms. Each time your arthritis is bothering you, write about what you do that day in your journal. This way, you can start to see a pattern as to what is causing your arthritis pain so you can slow down on that activity. Find a doctor who is supportive of you starting a family with rheumatoid arthritis. Some rheumatologists are not comfortable providing advice or support for a woman having a child with this condition, but don't be discouraged. There are doctors out there who are knowledgeable about the challenges you will face. Take the time to have your family educated about your rheumatoid arthritis and the different challenges that will occur while you live with this condition. There are classes available through the Arthritis Foundation, and there are many books available that can be used to teach your family about the condition. In conclusion, you want to find out some great advice regarding arthritis, and ideally, you found helpful information in this video. Use this information today to start living better, despite the painful nature of this condition. Your overall well-being is dependent on living as free of pain as possible. Would you like to discover the arthritis breakthrough your doctor won't tell you about? Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn more. Uncover one cheap ingredient, found in every supermarket, proved to improve arthritis 48%. Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.